Where are we at, Drew?
San Marcos. River Circle.
There you go. Yeah. This is the scariest, but most fun thing I've ever done in my life.
I'll go first.
What are you about to do?
I'm gonna surf that.
I'll be like scared for some reason.
Why are you scared?
I don't know.
Don't step on the water.
Why? That's not that bad. That's not that bad.
He's putting just a hole in the rock? What the hell are you doing?
I gotta find it. I gotta find it.
I gotta find my hole.
It's somewhere around here, man. Hold on.
Where's your hole?
There's a deep hole. Okay, look. One of y'all has to hold this back while I ride. Or while I get in there.
What? Dude, it's pretty solid.
No, it's not.
Oh. Here it goes. Are you kidding me?
Careful. Yeah, Drew.
Uh-oh. Oh, he's going downstream. Oh, what? Oh, she just got sucked down.
Go down.
Woo! Go.
Round 2. Here we go. Oh God. He's up on it now. He's surfing. Surfing.
He's doing it.
Yeah, buddy. Woo!
Pull it in.
That's crazy.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Shove? Oh yeah, he's gotta fill it out first. Oh, he's out.
There you go. Yeah!
Oh yeah, baby!
Yeah!
This is the scariest, but most fun thing I've ever done in my life. I'm about to try it again.
Yeah!
Hey, look at that. Get it back. Get up on your feet. All right, I'm in it. I'm in it. I'm in it. Oh! Let's go! All right.
Like whatever you do, fall backwards.
All right. Come on, baby! Pull me in a little bit.
No, you're good. Deep pressure on that.
Yeah! Yes! Yes! Oh my God, bro.
Go the road. Lean forward. Go. Lean forward.
Fuck the bullshit.
That's impossible.
It.
Yep. That's it.
That's it.
No, no.
Oh my god.
I just put down it. DOB. DOB number 1.
What? Forward? There you go, yeah.
No shot.
Oh my god. Yeah. Get up there. Yeah.
Yeah, girl. Oh. Oh, dude.
Yeah. Yeah. Yes, sir. There it is. You got it.
That was sick. That was sick. You already know. Five Below boogie board on the Infinite River wave. Let's go, boy.
Don't break it. Yeah. Yes, sir.